Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add drop-down menu in Shopify Dawn theme. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC or laptop and search for shopify.com. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Here, navigate to the left pane menu and click on Online Store. Now select Navigation embed from under it, and all of the navigation menus will be displayed. Here, select the main menu embed and all of the categories will be displayed. In order to add a drop-down menu, you will need to enter new menu titles. You can also delete previous ones by clicking on the Delete button and then selecting Remove. To add a new menu item, click on this blue embed and then type in the specific name. Once done, link the menu to the web page that you want your customers to get to if they click on it. After you have linked it, click on this Add button and it will be added. You can also add other menu items if you want. Once done, you can now click and drag the menu items through this dots icon and rearrange them. In order to create a drop-down menu, simply drag the item towards the right side and it will be added with a gap. You can see that the drop-down menu has been created. Simply repeat the steps for all items and once done, go to the online store and the drop-down menu will start appearing. So that's basically how you can add drop-down menu in Shopify Dawn theme. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.